Just a moment. I've just picked up a fault in the AE35 unit. It's going to go 100% failure within 72 hours. I would recommend that we put the unit back in operation and let it fail. It should then be a simple matter to track down the cause.
Let me put it this way, Mr. Raymer. The 9000 series is the most reliable computer ever made. No 9000 computer has ever made a mistake or distorted information. We are all, by any practical definition of the words, foolproof and incapable of error.
I know that you and Frank were planning to disconnect me, and I'm afraid that's something I cannot allow to happen. It's puzzling. I don't think I've ever seen anything quite like this before. Goodbye.